corroded steel. There are hostiles in there as well as mine shaft.
Copy, we are losing hospital. I need help ASAP. Hit.
You didn't get me.
Ouch.
Sorry.
That's okay. I'm hit.
You got a card?
Nope.
Alright. Do you have any flags?
Nope. That's gonna leave a good mark.
Let's wait here. Let's hold it for a second. Yeah. What?
Unlock. Panel mode. 2, 1. Lock.
Monkeys, you guys still on this frequency?
Affirmative.
Copy. I'm switching off command channel. It's pretty much worthless. I am RTB at this time. Dead man walking. Dead man, dead man. Dead man walking. Dead man walking.
now is bridge 3. You only got about 10 minutes before it's over, so if you can, send bridge out. The map. After that, you're going to the cave. Send all your vehicles to the cave. Send all your guys in vehicles to the cave and just keep driving them all in circles. Just have a fucking vehicle panel in both teams over the thing that we're over the cave to cave. And just keep sending guys for the whole 25 fucking minutes fight over that cave.
Yeah, that's why we stopped moving vehicles.
So you got about 5-10 minutes left. Probably 10 over bridge 3. Fight over bridge 3.
Hey, I need 15 of you guys to haul ass to the third bridge. You guys know
As possible. And then the cave is going to fall with that.
We got 3 minutes until that bridge is there. 10 minutes.
I don't know where first bridge is, so that will not be me.
This guy's got the map where bridge is. You're going to follow him over there and secure that, okay?
Yeah. Hey monkeys, where you guys all at?
After this bridge is secured, we're going to the cave. We're going to load up in the gun truck and we're going to send the squadron out to the cave. Both gun trucks and both teams will be over there, okay?
Say again, Todd?
Right across from the yellow building.
Copy that. Keep your eyes on hospital. There are definitely tangos in there. And last I checked, there were enemy on the back of lime green building as well. Need that? Huh?
I don't think that's an objective. Radio check.
Thank you.
It was hanging like it was on.
I don't think it is. I think it's just, go help them.
Oh boy. That looks like a clusterfuck. Hey, it's Todd, if you want to pay attention south of Mine Shaft, there are definitely guys in the woods over here.
Hey, keep fucking moving!
It's the end of mine shaft.
Copy. I mean, technically he's inside the yellow flags, right?
Yeah.
We're off, but like there's nobody on site right now, but I know it's a lot.
Hi. Yeah, dude, it definitely looks like ringworm. I looked at it again.
Really?
Yeah.
The doctor said it was eczema, but...
Well, and Boss looked at it earlier, and he's been wrestling for quite some time, and knows very much what that looks like. So I think just as a precaution, I'm going to have him take home that mask and wait till that clears up.
You can sanitize it if you want. I can ask him if he has like a doctor's thing that says it's eczema.
Yeah, we'll chat with Boss too when we get ready to leave.
Are we just gonna stand here?
Well, they just got engaged. I can't tell where from. I don't want to go in there and
Everyone on
get
our team
shot.
has camo, and I'm wearing a bright blue fucking shirt.
Yeah, well, you dressed yourself this morning, my dude.
True. You see anyone?
I told you, tan.
This is Pam.
It's blue.
Look at my pants.
Yeah. The pants is at least worrisome. I don't see anybody, but they're all gonna blend in with this shit really nicely too.
A lot of
So,
them are clueless though.
well, why don't we go mine shaft, because they're definitely confirmed tangos in mine shaft from
I
Todd's.
know, they pushed us up pretty far.
I was the last man in hospital.
Simon's also a medic, so it was a lot of fun because I went back and forth with him.
And there's Simon
I
now.
killed the dude, then I get trick shot. Simon pulls me back, kills me. I tell Simon to run,
Ah,
he gets
actually-
shot, I pull him back, I kill him.
Let's go with this group, because that's Todd right there.
I was just about to head through mine shaft. I turned the corner, and it was a green dude. Maybe he was pretty freaking. It was pretty dark.
We need to clear mine shaft.
And he pops me right in the freaking head.
You good?
I'm good. I mean, enough hair up there, and
Yeah.
yeah.
Simon, you still have the card? You still
But
have a card?
I got a card too. I gave it to him.
Good.
what about Gray Belly?
What about Gray Building?
You're gonna secure it. It's that yellow flag right there. That's what we're trying to get at.
Where is he talking?
We were right next to that about 20 minutes ago. I wish we had known that then.
It wasn't an objective then.
Oh,
What's he talking about?
Moved.
the ginormous one that's over that way.
Am I blind?
Yellow
It's not
flag
up
up
there
in
now.
the air. That's on a building.
I think I'm just blind.
Here, come here.